Are you a mom that just hates being in the kitchen? Like, cooking is not the highlight of the day. But it's quarantine time, and literally been in the pantry like 18 times. Okay, so we're gonna do some meal prep today. So today we have kale Parmesan pasta with some garlic chicken. Stay tuned. Hello there, friends. My name is Jamie, and I am the coach for Get Fit Strong. And I am here to work with us ladies to rediscover our spark through fitness. And that is, number one, finding a workout that doesn't suck. And number two, eating real food, like getting off the cabbage and stop eating protein shakes and bars. So today, we're gonna start with some meal prep. Hey guys, I am doing meal prep Sunday. I feel like we need theme songs for these things. Anyways, the non-cooker goes and finds the recipes that are like super easy. So I'm gonna marinate my chicken. So I'll put my chicken in a baggie, and I don't know what life we would do without Ziploc bags. Anyway, so the first recipe, I'm gonna take 1.5 pounds of chicken. I'm gonna take 1/4 cup olive oil. I'm gonna do 1/4 cup lemon juice. Sounds like a lot, we'll see. So this recipe calls for you to like chop up cloves, which that ain't happening. So I go and get the minced. So this calls for 3, what does it say? 3 cloves garlic minced. And so that equates to 4 teaspoons out of this little sucker. Seasonings are next. You're gonna do 1/2 tablespoon of some dried oregano, and then you're gonna add some salt and pepper. I like salt, so there might be a lot of that. Okay, so everything's gonna go in the bag, and I'm gonna stick this in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna let it marinate. Recipe says anywhere from 30 minutes to 8 hours, so I'm just gonna stick it in there until I'm ready to cook. Okay. Okay, it's marinated long enough, and it is time to cook the chicken. So this is what we look like right now. And you know that I'm like fascinated with this air fryer. So chicken's gonna go in the air fryer, and then I'm going to start the stove for the rest of the items. Okay, air fryers. So it really doesn't matter which one you get. What we have is that one, and I'm just gonna show you a really quick tip for cleanup. Okay, ladies, foil is going to be your best friend. Lay this down here in the bottom, then put this in. And because the chicken that we're gonna be cooking is kind of like got a lot of liquid to it, I'm gonna put another piece of foil in here, and like I said, make cleanup a snap. So I've got my chicken in the pan, and I'm gonna stick this in the air fryer. It's gonna go in there for 380 for about 8 minutes. Each air fryer you're gonna need to kind of look and keep an eye on it. Usually I'll pop it out and look at it like every couple minutes just to see where it's going. I am going to hang on to the juices because I'm gonna use that to cook the pasta sauce. So started boiling water for the pasta, and then starting the sauce, we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pat of butter, and lovely garlic. They're gonna love me at work. They're gonna love me at work. So we're gonna let all this melt down, and then I'm going to start to add the kale. I'm gonna be honest, first time cooking with kale, so yeah, green stuff. We'll see how that goes. And here's a funny, I don't like vegetables. So my husband is always like trying to sneak it into our food. Look, he got pasta. I love him. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of the leftover marinade and put it in the pan, and take my cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna saute these all the way down until they burst open and have a little bit of like that burnt looking skin. Super close to being done, and I made this in like 25 minutes. There's a lot of like, you just stick it in places and then you can go do it if you want to. But I go and get really cheap containers. These are particular from Myers, but honestly, you can get these anywhere. And I like the ones, you know, like if you don't like your food touching, they do make the ones that have the dividers. But I'm going to put my chicken, pasta that has the kale and Parmesan, and then the tomatoes, which you can still, if you're cooking in the background, they'll sit right on top. So I'll show you. Finishing touch, and I'm just going to tell you these. Oh, this is the mecca of this recipe. So I'm going to end up with 4 containers, gonna sit those right on top. Lots and lots of color. So when I reheat my lunch tomorrow, I'm gonna end up making 4 servings of this, plopping it in the refrigerator, and then eating on this the next 4 days. Okay. So that's gonna wrap up Meal Prep Sunday. Check out the other videos if you want some workouts that you can do throughout the week, and we'll see what next week brings us. Guys, go be awesome. Oh, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys.